What's going on, my detailing people? It's Hunter's Detailing. In these videos, this is gonna be called the How to Detail videos. And today, for the section that we're on, is vacuuming. Yes, it may sound simple, but we're detailers, so we know that even vacuuming is not simple. We have different tools. 1, 2, 3, vacuum. 4, air. All right. And also, you may need a garbage bag. So I'm back. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up all the big stuff because we don't want to put that in the vacuum.
And Wayne,
What's up?
what about personal stuff? Receipts, money.
So me personally, if anybody knows me, I say that I don't separate stuff because the client should have their stuff picked up already. So what I do is I bag everything together, I tie it up, I put it in the trunk, in the garage, or tell them to come and grab it and let them know that everything is mixed in. It just makes it easier for us to get to the job that we came to do. I'm gonna come to the back. Let me pick this stuff up back here.
I didn't know you were looking at the back, Wayne, my bad.
You should have told me, Reyes. Should have told me. I got you now, and I'm bagging everything.
Cool. I'll go through it later.
Yes, sir. You talking to me like I ain't used to this. Like I ain't ever detailed a car before. He said it's different, it's mine.
Hey, how do you feel about car seats?
Car seats, I'll take them off. But the only thing is, I won't put them back on because I'm not gonna be responsible if the baby gets in there, they get in an accident. So you can take it off, just don't put it back in, y'all. So the next thing, I'm gonna take the floor mats out, and then the front floor mat, I'm gonna leave on because as I blow everything from the back to the front floor mat is gonna catch everything. The floor mat caught everything. And of course, as much as we wanna pick everything up and throw it out, I'm gonna pick up the big stuff, and then the rest I'm gonna throw out. So this is just dust in the air right here, y'all. And now, even though I blew everything to the front, I still wanna lift everything deep within the fibers of the carpet with the air. And I'm still blowing it forward. And I wanna let you guys know, this isn't something that you take 10, 15 minutes blowing. This ain't just, time is money. We're getting in here and we're blowing stuff around, getting in between the seats. Get it done. This right here, Detail Davis is her name, I believe. Sorry if I'm wrong, but she taught me this right here. This is a dope idea. Now, when you can't reach stuff in between the seats, right here, y'all. You go in, I literally just started implementing this. This will agitate the floor to lift it up so you can vacuum it. You wanna move your seats forward, and let me show you from the back, you guys. Literally come in between the seat, and you could get areas you can't reach by just doing that. A lot of the stuff is stuck on the carpet. We just wanna loosen it up. That's the objective. So I'm adding this to the artillery because this has saved me, because it's inconvenient when you're vacuuming, then you gotta go grab the air. You gotta go grab the steamer to steam it out. Quick draw. All right, so more stuff blew up as you can see. So I'm gonna pick this big stuff up, and then now let's get to the vacuum. So now, choose your side you wanna get on. It's all getting done, let's get it. We're gonna start with the back since it's moved forward. Come in here. Now, this is for the people that don't know how to vacuum. This is what they do. This is the #1 giveaway. This is somebody that don't know how to vacuum. Now, when you do know how to vacuum, you can grab it like this and it's left and right. I like to do everything organized, and I just, that, and I'm coming back. Pick up all the big stuff, left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right. Now, after I done got up most of the big stuff, then you're gonna come in for the detailed vacuum. Now this is where it starts getting even more serious. Sometimes it can take a lot of time, Now, if you find yourself scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing and stuff is stuck in the carpet, guess what time it is? Let me grab my drill. Let me grab my other artillery. Load it up. Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna drill the carpet. So the air lifts it up. Now we got the drill brush agitating it, getting everything up. Now we're detailers now. So this is what it takes to be detailed. Now, you're gonna pull all this stuff out based off of you just looking at the vehicle. You should know by looking at the carpet, how much stuff is stuck in between, pet hair. So you should grab everything that I grabbed. The vacuum, the drill, the pet hair brush remover if you need it, the air, and you should be ready. Boom, 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 you're moving. Now I'm gonna come in here. This gonna be my final vacuum. Now, if you find yourself not being able to get certain stuff up, that means we're gonna have to up the package to a shampoo. It is not your job to shampoo the carpet because they did not pay for that. In the beginning, because I wanted to get photos and stuff like that, I would do extra. We ain't to do extra, crew. We in the business of blessing, crew. Yes, every now and then. If the Lord puts it on you to do so, do so. All right, so here's some advice. Some people want to be cute when they come out in detail and they don't want to get dirty, right? You have to get down in dirty, y'all. You're gonna have to get low. If you're gonna stay up and sit in the seat, you're gonna miss stuff below. You gotta get down here and get in the car. Become one with the car. And you're gonna look in areas that most people do not look. That's why they called you out, because you're a detailer and you need to get in here and get detailed. Now, sometimes you may be in the car different ways that, you know what I mean? But you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Come on. There it is. Time to get to the front, yo. All right, you guys, on this side of the car, we're gonna go ahead and time it so you guys can get an estimate of what time that it should be taking for you to finish the vehicle. Normally, I would have blew out everything forward, but we're gonna repeat on this side just so you guys can get it timely. All right, we rolling?
Rolling.
All right, let me grab my bag. Let me grab all my stuff from this side. Bag.
Now, just so people know, you would blew everything out from the both sides of the back.
Yes, sir.
To both sides of the front.
Back to front.
Got it.
Yes, sir. Move the seat forward. Trash bag. And I'm gonna move how I would normally move. I'm not gonna do any extra, y'all.
Oh, that's where that wrench packet was at. I was looking for that.
Yes, sir. We gotta store it in secret spots sometimes. You know? It's like that. All right. Let's get it. There it is, going to the front. And of course, this is a little dirtier vehicle, so you can get an idea of what something that's less dirty will take you. And of course, this car would need a shampoo for the floors to come out how you want them to come out. And of course, that's gonna be an upsell. But right now, we're focused on vacuum. Client is on a budget, and they ain't looking to pay for it. So that's a wrap, you guys. Where we at, Rez?
We're at 10 minutes.
10 minutes, so go ahead and add 5 minutes on there. So between 10 and 15 minutes. Of course, for vehicles that are maintenance, it should take you 5 minutes. So let's run that back. Maintenance vehicles, 5 minutes. Vehicles that are standard, 10 minutes. Vehicles that are more on the extreme side, I would say 15 to 25 minutes. So that's the range, you guys, for this vehicle. For this video, 10 to 15 minutes for this condition of vehicle. All right, there you guys, there you have it. That's the Hunter's Detailing Way. It's gonna take you 10 to 15 minutes. You guys seen all the tools that I use. For the new hires that are watching this video, watch it over, practice on your vehicle, be ready to come out and to perform and to serve like a humble servant. And you guys, it's only up from here. Hey, the Hunters Detailing Way. Tap in for a detail, Sacramento, California. Like, share, subscribe. You guys know what to do with it. Let's go. Hey, new hires, subscribe, like, leave me a 5-star review. Y'all know what to do. Let's go.